WhatsApp Messenger, or simply WhatsApp, is an American freeware, cross-platform centralized messaging and voice-over IP service owned by Facebook, Inc. It allows users to send text messages and voice messages, make voice and video calls, and share images, documents, user locations, and other content. WhatsApp's client application runs on mobile devices but is also accessible from desktop computers, as long as the user's mobile device remains connected to the internet while they use the desktop app. The service requires a cellular mobile telephone number to sign up. In January 2018, WhatsApp released a standalone business app targeted at small business owners, called WhatsApp Business, to allow companies to communicate with customers who use the standard WhatsApp client. The client application was created by WhatsApp Inc. of Mountain View, California, which was acquired by Facebook in February 2014 for approximately $19.3 billion United States dollars. It became the world's most popular messaging application by 2015, and has over 2 billion users worldwide as of February 2020. It has become the primary means of internet communication in multiple locations, including Latin America, the Indian subcontinent, and large parts of Europe and Africa. WhatsApp was founded by Brian Acton and Jan Koum, former employees of Yahoo, in January 2009. After purchasing an iPhone and realizing the potential of the app industry on the App Store, Koum and Acton began visiting Koum's friend Alex Fishman in West San Jose to discuss a new type of messaging app that would show statuses next to individual names of the people. They realized that to take the idea further, they would need an iPhone developer. Fishman visited rentacoder.com, found Russian developer Igor Solomenyakov, and introduced him to Koum. Koum named the app WhatsApp to sound like, "What's up?" On February 24, 2009, he incorporated WhatsApp Inc. in California. However, when early versions of WhatsApp kept crashing, Koum considered giving up and looking for a new job. Acton encouraged him to wait for a few more months. In June 2009, Apple launched push notifications, allowing users to be pinged when they were not using an app. Koum changed WhatsApp so that everyone in the user's network would be notified when a user's status is changed. WhatsApp 2.0 was released with a messaging component, and the number of active users suddenly increased to 250,000. Although Acton was working on another startup idea, he decided to join the company. In October 2009, Acton persuaded 5 former friends at Yahoo to invest $250,000 in seed funding, and Acton became a co-founder and was given a stake. He officially joined WhatsApp on November 1, after months at beta stage. The application launched in November 2009, exclusively on the App Store for the iPhone. Koum then hired a friend in Los Angeles, Chris Pfeiffer, to develop a BlackBerry version, which arrived 2 months later. Subsequently, WhatsApp for Symbian OS was added in May 2010, and for Android OS in August 2010. In 2010, WhatsApp was subject to multiple acquisition offers from Google which were declined. To cover the cost of sending verification texts to users, WhatsApp was changed from a free service to a paid one. In December 2009, the ability to send photos was added to the iOS version. By early 2011, WhatsApp was one of the top 20 apps in Apple's U.S. App Store. In April 2011, Sequoia Capital invested about $8 million for more than 15% of the company. After months of negotiation by Sequoia partner Jim Getz, by February 2013, WhatsApp had about 200 million active users and 50 staff members. Sequoia invested another $50 million, and WhatsApp was valued at $1.5 billion. Sometime in 2013, WhatsApp acquired Santa Clara-based startup Sky Mobius, the developers of VTalk, a video and voice calling app. In a December 2013 blog post, WhatsApp claimed that 400 million active users used the service each month. On February 19, 2014, just 1 year after a venture capital financing round at a $1.5 billion valuation, Facebook, Inc. announced it was acquiring WhatsApp for $19 billion United States dollars, its largest acquisition to date. At the time, it was the largest acquisition of a venture-backed company in history. Sequoia Capital received an approximate 5,000% return on its initial investment. Facebook, which was advised by Allen & Co., paid $4 billion in cash, $12 billion in Facebook shares, and an additional $3 billion in restricted stock units granted to WhatsApp's founders Koum and Acton. Employee stock was scheduled to vest over 4 years subsequent to closing. Days after the announcement, WhatsApp users experienced a loss of service, leading to anger across social media. The acquisition caused a considerable number of users to try and/or move to other message services. Telegram claimed that it acquired 8 million new users, and Line, 2 million, at a keynote presentation at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona in February 2014. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg said Th.